Did you know the easiest agency to start with absolutely zero marketing skills in 2025 is an SEO agency? And let me tell you why. SEO is a high ticket service that you can sell between $2,000 and $3,000 a month that every business needs and that every business owner already understands. And that makes it a lot easier to sell because you are not having to educate your prospect on the value of SEO services. SEO is also sold in 6 and 12-month contracts, making one sale worth $12,000 to $24,000. So with just a couple of clients, you can create a full year's salary very, very quickly. And here's the best part. All you have to do is sell the service and you can completely white label, aka give the work to someone else to do for you for only a few $100s a month, allowing you to keep up to 70% of the monthly retainer pure profit. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find clients quickly and who to hire to do your SEO fulfillment so that you can get great results for your clients. This is exactly how I was able to scale my agency to over $800K a year, and I'm excited to show you how to do the same. Let's jump in. All right, so we have our four main parts of our agency. The first one is the actual service that we are selling, which is SEO services at $2,500 per month. So the next thing that we're going to need to do, right, now that we have our actual service, is to find clients. So your only skill that you're going to absolutely need to grow a marketing agency is sales skills. You're not actually going to need to be able to be a great marketer because you're going to use a white label fulfillment partner. And the only other thing, which we're all pretty good at, or we at least have some type of skill in, is our customer service. So let's start from the top here. Finding clients. There's going to be two ways to find clients that are super, super simple. You're going to go to Google Maps and you're going to look for clients that have low reviews or bad reviews, and you're just going to reach out to them, right? So code outreach. And you can do this via phone call or email. And by the way, we have email and cold calling scripts inside of our free program that you can find in the description below. So if you need any type of scripting or things that are proven to work, please just hop into the free course so you can grab those resources. And we're going to go through the Google Maps here in just a minute, but you're going to go on Google Maps and you're just going to look for businesses such as dental offices or any high ticket niche that has a high-end service like home services, real estate, anything that requires a big ticket when someone makes a sale, so they can easily justify the $2,500 a month that you're charging just by getting them a few extra clients per month. So you're going to go to Google Maps, you're going to find businesses, and then you're going to cold outreach them, okay? Once you have a few conversations, about 1 in every 10 conversations is going to lead to a new client, all right? And here's where it gets good. Because you figured out how to prospect and sell, now for about $600 a month, you can have the fulfillment done completely for you, limiting the headache and also the need for the skill to actually fulfill and be a great marketer. You don't need that. All you need to do is focus on finding clients. So you're charging $2,500 a month. There's $600 a month in fulfillment. Your fulfillment partner then sends all the reporting and the results over to your customer service person, which could be a VA for as little as $2 to $3 an hour. And then the customer service person speaks to the client, fulfilling your SEO services. So let's do the math here. If you have your $2,500 and you minus $600, and let's say you minus another $300 for your VA, you're going to keep $1,600 a month in profit just by going out and finding clients on Google Maps for just a few minutes a day, cold outreaching, and then selling them a service that you know works because they've done it for hundreds of clients, and then hiring a VA to make sure that they're sending the reporting to your clients, showing progress. And this is how easy it is to start a SEO agency with absolutely no skills. If you do this for a couple months, you'll easily have 4 or 5 clients at $2,500 a month, making between 10 and 15K a month, and you'll have them all on 6-month contracts. And that's how easy it is. So now let's jump back over into the computer and just show a quick example and where you can find your SEO fulfillment partner. So let's jump back over into the PC. All right, so now that you understand the 3 to 4 parts of an agency and how that you can start a marketing agency with absolutely no skills in 2025, let me show you how easy it is to jump in and find clients. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up, and I like to find small towns because big towns are super competitive like Miami and Dallas. So I'm just gonna use my hometown as an example. We're gonna search for dentist offices in Bardstown, Kentucky, which is where I'm from. And I'm going to come in and see what we have going on here. So right away, I can see that Bardstown Family Dentistry and Shrewsbury, Claywell, and Oliver Dentistry has a lot of reviews, 537 and 1.2K reviews, which is a ton of reviews. But here, popping up in second place is 81 reviews, which means they have pretty good SEO somewhere to be beating out, or it's just the way the algorithm is working in this moment. But this is an opportunity for us to reach out and say, hey, Osborne Family Dental, we noticed that you do not have near as many reviews as some of your competitors in your local market. This could be greatly affecting the amount of patients that you're getting through the door because they're going to the other 2 who seem more trustworthy. What I would like to do is not only try to get some of your bad reviews removed, but I would also offer you your first 50 reviews for free if you're interested. And I know what you're thinking. You're saying, hey, Brandon, we're selling SEO services. That is correct. The easiest way to get an SEO conversation is to start with the Google reviews, because the Google reviews are a direct correlation to the ranking of the Google Map Pack. The amount of reviews they get per week, called review velocity, and the number of total overall reviews directly affect the SEO rankings. So what we're going to do to go ahead and find the information that we're going to reach out to with our email, we're going to click into the website and look at that. It's right here on the top. You'll be able to just grab that Gmail. You can reach out to them on social media. Here's the social media links, and you can give them a phone call offering them the review service for their first 50 reviews for free. And if this is not here, which on most websites it is, you're simply going to click into the contact us, and you're going to grab their information here, and that will be on any website as well as in the footer. So you'll be able to find plenty of information on multiple people. Now, if you want to find great fulfillment partners and you want to learn how to do this and get our scripts and all of our snapshots that you can install right into your GoHighLevel so you can start reaching out to these clients, doing multiple outreaches a day, 300, 400, 500 outreaches a day on autopilot, you're going to jump over to school and go to school.com/agency-entourage/about, or you can just search Agency Entourage in the search bar and it will pop up, as well as find the link to our free school community below. That will give you access to all the information that you need to start and scale your agency, as well as access to me, which you can give all of your SEO clients straight over to yours truly, and we will fulfill 100% for you at the best cost that you find on the market. And you can rest assured that your clients are in great hands, guaranteeing that they're going to get great results so that you keep each client for 6 to 12 or even more time, so that they pay you month over month $2,500 to $3,000 a month, while you're just keeping $1,500 every single month just for doing the sell. So if that's something that is interesting to you, please check out our free resources below. I hope to see you in the community. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you will catch more content like this. And make sure you drop a comment. I love comments. Comments let me know that you guys have questions and you like the comments. And I love to get back to you guys in there to provide value for other people who might be scared to comment. So I hope to see you in the community, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.